This is my Xbox X that I bought so I can play Splinter Cell 2020, 2022, 2023, 2024, whatever. So the thing is, this thing is filthy. As you can plainly see here, just did it again. This is really, really dirty. It needs to be clean. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it. We have a couple of things to clean it with. Paper towel, microcloth, two different options. Soap or dishwashing liquid and water. That is one choice. Very cheap choice. Or spray cleaner. It doesn't really matter which one of these two you use, as long as you use one. Make sure this is nice and cool. It's been turned off for a while. It's unplugged. You don't want to fry the board, but do not spray it directly. Spray the towel like so, or spray the paper towel like so, and then clean it. Shouldn't really take a lot of effort to actually clean this thing here. I'm not using the microfiber only because the microfiber is that's for my car. It's filthy, so I really don't want the chemicals that I use in my car to be used here. This is my Brighton England sticker. Yeah, it's pretty darn disgusting. I had this on my original Xbox 360, and I just transferred it over, but it doesn't stick. So that I can easily take this off, like so. And when it's time to trade this bad boy in, I'll be able to trade it in when they won't complain about, oh, it looks disgusting. No, it doesn't. It looks just like it was brand new. So, now you did see me put a little bit of water on there. That was way too much water, but still, I'm keeping this nice and damp. This is how you clean these machines. I rarely clean mine. I keep it on the floor so it gets really, really dusty. A lot of air comes in there. Mine does not overheat, but if you did have one that overheated, what you could do, I'm trying to cover up my serial number here, is get a vacuum cleaner and basically suck in here. That's pretty much all you got to do is just make sure you get some suction in there, because these things over time, especially if you're playing a lot, you will get a huge amount of dust on top of them. Now for me, I use a sticker, so when I'm done, I just replace that sticker just like so. And that is the end of this video. This is how I clean my machine when I need to clean my machine.